Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 10b practice, in which we will take the last part of Surah Al-Fatiha. What is Tajweed? Tajweed is to recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat of letters and the rules of recitation. Let's take Tajweed tip number 11. Use your mobile phone to record yourself and listen to the recording. Compare your recitation with that of a qari whom you are copying in the beginning, and you will know the defects yourselves. So let's take this part, the last part. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. We practice that part. So let's take the last part. غير المغضوب عليهم. غي. Gha is thick and high. Okay, and only when you practice syllables, I will show the TPI signs. You should not do it while doing tilawa. Don't do like this. Okay, so gha is thick and high, and ya is thin. So you should say ghay. It's not ghay. 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 Repeat after me 3 times. Ghay. 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 Ghayril. Ra is thin. That's natural. Ma. Ma is thin, and gha again. The same gha is thick and high, so magh. Okay, you don't say magh. It's not magh. It is magh. Magh. So repeat 3 times. Magh. 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 And this is dubi. Du is very, dad is thick and high. Dubi. And make sure you pronounce the dad properly. Dubi. Ghayril maghdubi. So repeat after me once. غير المغضوب غير المغضوب عليهم. A should be proper. A and lay. It's not alayhim. It's not lay. It is lay. Okay. So repeat after me. عليهم. عليهم. Once again. عليهم. ولا الضالين. So wa and la is here. Lad. Then dad is very thick and high, so you go there. Walad da. And as long as mad is there, you keep that way. Like dalin. Alright, you don't say dalin. No. Dalin. Okay, so repeat after me. وَلَضَّالِّينَ وَلَضَّالِّينَ. Okay, let's practice the last part now. غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Alright, that's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.